So quick update on the Shogun. So this is the finished bike. I'm just kidding. There is the bike. So this is my friend's bike. This kept me up all night yesterday. It had a fuel overflow issue. So we started by replacing the float jet, but with old bikes things don't work out always as per plan. So the carburetor, the throttle cable got stuck. Then I also noticed that it was taking some extra air. So when I opened the airbox, the filter was disintegrated. In fact, this is how the filter looks like for that bike. And then one thing led to another. I started working on it around 9:30, and when I finished it up and it started running like it should, it was around 3 o'clock in the morning. So after that I went to do some bike related shopping, and these are the things I bought. So the Apache front end is here. I'm not going to use the T-stem. The T-stem is going to be from the Shogun itself. I am planning to use this mudguard, but the challenge with this is a used mudguard. Brand new mudguards are not available anymore, especially because they don't come. So I got a pretty decent used one. So anyways, this is getting painted black, so I don't care if there are some minimal dinks. So I got a great deal on the master cylinder and the caliper, but both of them need rebuild. So that is that. So I also bought a meter case for the Shogun, but my meter case is actually good, but since it was available, so I thought what the hell, so I went ahead and bought that. So I like the bar handle on this, and I'm not a fan of handles that look like this, so I got rid of this handle, and I in fact went for a handle like this one. So that is what we have here. Then these are the spokes for the rear wheel. So I'm going to cut the existing spokes. I don't want to spend a lot of time removing them, so I won't be able to reuse them, so I bought new set of spokes. Then this is a box of screws that is for AX100, so it has a lot of screws but not all of them, so I had to buy separate set of engine screws also, which I'll show you in a minute. Got rear brake shoes. This is the only brand which is available. There is no other brand available. This is a reasonably good brand. I ended up buying 2 set of grips because I didn't realize that I bought them. So anyways, it's good to have an extra pair. I only got one switch gear, which is the main switch gear. The problem was the right side is not coming anymore, is what they said. So this is how it looks like. And if you want to see how it looks like outside the cover, this is how it looks like. So this is original Shogun stuff. Then I lost my oil can, so I got a new oil can. This grease is not for me. And I got the elusive tail panel. So this is usually 3 pieces, so let me lay that out to you. So it by default comes with the samurai stickering, so we need to anyways paint this, though it is black, but we'll still paint it into black and apply the new stickers. I use the cables that I bought from Bangalore on this Shogun. Say hi to Purushu. Hey Purushu. Hi. So I also got these handle yokes. We only need one, but that guy gave us 2. I got a new brake pedal because the brake pedal on the bike that we have has a hole in it. I got 2 new indicators because the indicators that we have on the bike are okay. They are not that bad. Then I got the axle, the center bolt, foundation bolt, two chain adjuster, half axle, and this is the remaining screw kit that I was talking about. This is the top nut that we will use instead of ours. So even Urshu approves it. So this is from today's purchase. Uh, Spent a lot of money. So the next thing that I need to procure now is a rebuild kit for these two. So I'll try to do a video on how to rebuild these. Then I need to get the Apache rotor, which I'm going to buy new, most probably. Then I'll also get the brake pads for this, and we have pretty much everything that we need except for the rear shocks, which I could not procure because I was not able to wait for them to come. So now I'll go ahead and get them. About the right hand side switch, there is another bike that I have. I'll show you a sneak preview. So there is the switch on this one. So I'm not using this, it is not connected to anything, so I'll probably take it from here and put it. Otherwise I have the original old Shogun switch, so I'll use it. So this is what we have. So I hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned, like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Take care.